This is the first review of our Wolf Box and the new Frontrunner Wolf Box Pro. The two boxes have a similar profile, exactly the same width, length and height. Okay. Check the weight. The old one is 3 kg. The new one is coming in at about 3.6 kg. Finishing is very much better. Feels a lot more solid. The old one is out from a very old mold, so there's a lot of imperfection. The new one is very clean. The old one is famous for the breaking latches, so I think they focus not on the new latches. The old one tend to break very easily if you don't know how to handle it properly. The new one is, I think, is over-engineered. It's very heavy, very solid, very positive locking, very strong. The lid no longer covers over. If it doesn't cover over, that means that the waterproofing, the rain will not flow over. It will actually collect at the inner sides of the box in all these latches here. So the new one does have a rubber seal on this latch, so I think waterproofing should be okay. We'll do a test later on. There's a rubber seal around the whole lid. Okay, if I press, I can hear actually some air sound. There's some air sound, so it doesn't look like it's 100% waterproof. It's not airtight. Cover is actually very soft, so if I put my weight on it, you can see that the box actually flexes. It's designed to flex. The new one is not that much stronger in my opinion, because it doesn't cover over the edge. So strength-wise, I think it's very similar to the old one. The biting is only half a mm over the edge, so it doesn't have the weight distribution of the old one. But this one does have the honeycomb reinforcement, so I think it is similar. But finishing is much better. But inner storage space is probably, in fact, is slightly smaller. This one has a bit less storage area than the old one.